Suzuki has introduced the all-new Swift, a smart and sophisticated hatchback in its fourth iteration. The exterior boasts a confident look with a piano black grille, L-shaped signature lamps, and muscular contours. Inside, the cockpit offers an immersive driving experience with an angled center cluster, dual-tone dashboard, and a 9-inch HD touchscreen featuring smartphone linkage and connectivity options. The new 1.2-liter petrol 3-cylinder engine, coupled with a mild hybrid system, delivers enhanced fuel economy, reduced emissions, and increased low-speed torque for improved overall performance. The engine specifications include a maximum power of 82 horsepower and a maximum torque of 110 Nm. The Grip Auto system provides automatic four-wheel drive engagement for added traction on slippery surfaces.